Hello, this is a learning video for a new tag called It Always Starts to Rain, as you can see from the music just below us. And now we're going to start off this tag with the baritone part. No matter where I go, if it don't hail or snow, it always starts to rain, starts to rain. There we go. Now we're going to have a listen to the bass part. No matter where I go, if it don't hail or snow, it always starts to rain. Okay, thank you, basses. Now, as you can hear, the basses have that post note going on underneath at the end, which actually the leads are going to join in later on as well, while the baritone and the tenor have an echo. But let's hear this baritone and bass together. No matter where I go, if it don't hail or snow, it always starts to rain. Starts to rain. There we go. Okay, that's this duet, but let's hear the other two. Over to the lead part. No matter where I go, if it don't hail or snow, it always starts to rain. Okay, thank you. Leads, as you can hear, that hanger at the end with the basses on that final rain for them. Now let's hear the tenor part, which has exactly the same timing as the baritone part here. So over to you, tenors. No matter where I go, if it don't hail or snow, it always starts to rain, starts to rain. There we go. Thank you, tenors. Now, as you may have heard or guessed then, especially if you looked at the music just below, the tenors are below the leads on the all of always. That tone and that Chinese just there, that tone clash. So let's hear these two parts together, lead and tenor. No matter where I go, if it don't hail or snow, it always starts to rain, starts to rain. Okay, thank you, you two. Now, let's get a baritone and tenor duet just to tie in that echo at the end. So it's the baritone and the tenor. No matter where I go, if it don't hail or snow, it always starts to rain, starts to rain. Thank you, tenors. Now let's hear the lead and bass together as well. No matter where I go, if it don't hail or snow, it Thank you, guys. Now we've heard all the duets. Let's do all together.
No matter where I go, if it don't hail or snow, it always starts to rain. Starts to rain.
There we go. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.